Now we are going to see the fifth exercise in lesson number 5. The fifth exercise we are going to see now. Complétez les phrases librement. Faire attention au monde. You can complete the sentence in your own way. To do it in your own way, but you may pay attention in the tense. You need to know which tense you need to conjugate. Here is not given any clue. So you please use imperfect, please use passé composé, or please use like this, and nothing is not given there. So you must pay attention which tense you are going to use here. So you must know the meaning of this, then only you can select the tense. So this is very important exercise. See the il est nécessaire qu'un dash. See the expression is given here. Afterwards, nécessaire que on. So it is start with an expressions necessity. So it is necessary that we dash. Then some physical exercise we have to do. So I like to put here, yes, very good. It is necessary that we by do some physical exercise. The verb faire I like to use here, but faire I use it in which tense? Yes, subjunctive tense is very nice because that is given there. The expression is necessity. So you can select your own word, but you must see the verb. What verb you are using? That verb should be in subjunctive. It is necessary that we might do some physical exercise. Second one. Il faut que vous dash. It is necessary that you dash. Work on time. Finish. I finir. And according to the subjunctive, because it is placed after the expression, it is necessary that you might finish the work at time. That finir, it is not a irregular verb, it is a regular verb. So general verb, ILS form of the present tense, remove ENT, and according to the subject, vous is the subject, so add at the ending IEZ. Okay. Il faut que vous finissiez votre travail à l'heure. It is necessary that you must finish your work on time. Third one. Il est important que nous dash. So, il est important que nous dash a avion. So, you must arrive early. So, important, it is an order or necessity, so you have to use in subjunctive tense. So arrive you must use in subjunctive, and you can use general rule and remove ENT, add according to the subject. Here subject is nous, so you can add ending is INONS. Okay, it is important we might arrive early. Fourth one. Je crois que nous dash. I believe that dash. So I believe that we dash French knows. So parler, to speak. Any verb you can select and any sentence you can make. So let's see the expressions. I wish. So I wish. After the expressions, according to the things, parler you can use here. So it is should be in subjunctive tense, and according to the subject is nous here. So your ending is INONS. Okay. Parlions bien le français. Fifth one. Je pense que tu dash. I think that you dash help your parents. So aider is help. So after the expressions, you can use a they as in subjunctive tense. So you can use the general rule. So ILS form, you remove ENT, you will get the same AIT, and according to the subject, TUI is the subject, you add an ES. So try to do this, make a sentence in your own, or you can use the same sentence. Thank you. Practice it 2 or 3 times, then it is easy.